One of the most common questions I get is, how do I make money with AI? It's a great question and it's one I want to help you answer today. So I'm going to record a quick video today and show you what my first recommendation is. If you're asking that question, how do I make money with AI? Well, I want you to start here. Let's go ahead and jump into ChatGPT and I'll show you what I recommend you do to get started. So as you can see, I'm in ChatGPT and I am using our brand new AI Business Ideation GPT. We've created this just for you to be able to help interview you to learn to learn more about you so that you can do a better job of identifying how to leverage AI in your business or maybe create a new business based on AI. Let me show you real quickly how it works. It's super simple. You simply go ahead and go to the link and we click on Start GPT. By the way, if you need the link, check down in the video description. We'll give you a link directly to this so you can register and get access to this for free. Here we go. So first it's going to get started and it's going to ask us some questions about us that we can go ahead and figure out. I'm going to go ahead and answer these and then we'll show you the next steps. All right, as I finish this up, I thought I'd actually show you guys how I respond that I find super effective. Instead of typing all the answers, I actually record them using my microphone. We'll do that right here and I'll show you as I go to answer number 5, which is, am I open to learning new tools and integrating AI into my work? Yes, I am absolutely open to learning new tools, especially AI-based tools or AI prompts that would help me deliver more value to my audience. So you can see just by recording that in, and I use a keyboard shortcut to be able to do that, it makes it really easy for me to go ahead and put all of that information in. Candidly, it's one of my tips that actually recording versus typing, I find gives me the ability to put better information. So this is all going to be based on me, and I won't bore you with the whole process, but this GPT will interview you and walk through a series of questions to help you identify what things you might be able to use AI in order to make money. I hope you can see that the interview process that I recommend with ChatGPT, and by the way, you can use Claude or DeepSeek or Llama or any other model you want to do this, but this interview process is designed to understand you better, to understand your passions, your interests, the things that are relevant to you, and then give you suggestions of businesses that you can create, side hustles that you can create, things that you can do to provide value to others that, of course, they're willing to exchange money for the services, and then how to leverage AI to do those. So I hope this has been valuable. I'd love to hear your feedback though and your questions. So please post down below. Let us know your questions. Let us know your feedback. And if you've got more specifics or things that have worked for you in this area, I'd love to hear about those as well. Go make it a great day and go out and make some money with AI.